Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to quickly download actions and stuff 1.4 for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Now, the step 1 would be prepare your device by making sure that the Minecraft Bedrock Edition is installed. Ensure that that edition is already installed on your Windows 10, Android, iOS, Xback, etc. Now check for internet connection. That should be stable and a LAN connection. Now find a trusted download store. Open your web browser. Now for this one, search for Actions and Stuff 1.4 Minecraft Bedrock download. Just look for your preferred website like mcpdl.com or Creator's official website. Now verify the version. It's compatible with the current version of Minecraft Bedrock. Now let me just try that one so you guys can have a visual representation. So just type on the specific words and look for the one that says this one. So actions and stuff, look for the one that's gonna be legit. And I think the top result is always the legit one. Now once you're here, basically click on get this item. You have to pay though for some V-Bucks for this one to get this specific add-ons. And with that being said, it's gonna be worth it. Now going back on our tutorial, verify the version and download the file. Step 3, install the add-on, open the downloaded file, double click, Minecraft should open automatically and begin importing the pack. So wait for the prompt to complete and a message will confirm successful is going to be import. Now, for example, you have a .zip file. Just extract the file, move the files to the Minecraft folder. It should be saying the behavior packs or the resource packs directory. Make sure you only have to choose these two or one of each, okay? Step 4, activate the add-on in Minecraft. So open up the Minecraft application, create or edit a world, go to behavior packs and resource packs, and select and activate actions and stuff 1.4. Play and enjoy and have some fun. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.